Hi everybody, and welcome to the Cow Emporium. Zippy, it's time to get up. It's a beautiful day. We get to do chores. It's just Zippy and I doing chores today. Glen's off the farm for the weekend. Happy day, Glen. I didn't want to take out any of this footage of me backing up to the trailer. You'll see it took me a few tries. And you know, I used to be embarrassed about this. However, maybe that's got something to do with age. It doesn't really matter to me how many tries it took to back up to that trailer. Women weren't normally doing the labor jobs on the farm. When I first came in 1992, I wanted to do absolutely everything on the farm, and I loved doing it. I wanted to learn how everything worked, how it all went together, and how it flowed, and of course, how to make it flow better. My ideas weren't always met with grace and sunshine, but it's okay. That's all right. Who's gonna come in and tell somebody that's doing it for a long time how to do it better? So I just learned and followed. And when it becomes my time to do it, then I guess, I do it the way I want. And in this case, I took my time hooking up that trailer. Truth is, that little grain wagon is light enough that I could just drag it if I needed to. Now I say that the women didn't used to do the labor jobs on the farm, but that didn't mean that they didn't used to work. Of course, there used to be many hired men around, and so it was the woman's job to feed them and make sure that they were taken care of. They had a place to sleep, and that their bedding and their clothing were clean. Breakfast, lunch, and supper for a herd of people is a lot of work, not to mention caring for the garden and the children and the house. Glen left me a pail full of vitamin, ready to just pour a little bit in while the augers are loading that grain wagon, just so it kind of all gets mixed in with the load. Vitamins and minerals. It didn't matter where I stood today. That wind was determined to get that grain chop dust down my shirt.